Hey, Jeff Anderson here with Anderson Brother Outdoors. You know, shopping and purchasing a boat can be a real daunting and intimidating task. When looking for a dealer, here are a few things for you to consider. For an unbelievably friendly sales staff. For superb boat rigging and service. For competitive pricing. For the largest selection of boats in northern Minnesota.
Corner Sports, located in Bemidji, Minnesota, has a strong reputation of providing excellent service, support, and customer satisfaction. Their success is built on the pride they take when the customer walks in the door. The friendly sales teams are willing to answer any questions and help you make the best decision possible when purchasing a new boat, fish house, or ATV. Need a fix or a boat rigging? Corner Sports also prides itself on their top-notch service department. Anderson Brothers approved. Corner Sports in Bemidji for all your boat shopping needs.